Hey everybody, today I've got an unboxing and first impressions of the Arzopa portable monitor. This has been blowing up the TikTok site. It's a 15.6 full HD 1080p portable monitor that can be used as a second monitor for your laptop, a phone. It has anti-glare IPS screen with 60 Hz high resolution, and it brings fantastic picture, video, and screen quality to your mobile devices. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look. Okay, so let's open up the box here. So this is the Arzopa 15.6-inch portable monitor. So I did pick this up on the TikTok shop. It was on a special for $59.99 and I got a discount, so I picked it up for a little over $40. So I definitely wanted to check that out. So we've got just a warranty card here that came in the box. Go ahead and pull the monitor out of the box, set that off to the side. So we've got a little user guide here with setup instructions, USB-C to USB-C cable. We've got a USB-C to USB-A cable. And then we also get mini HDMI to HDMI cable in the box. So we have to go ahead and put this off to the side, and we'll go ahead and open up the monitor. Okay, so this is what we get is the Arzopa 15.6-inch monitor. It has a nice little cover that is on here. It looks like it's magnetic. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, and there is the 15.6-inch full HD screen. It has 1080p, ultra lightweight, has Type-C, and you can actually use this as a stand, I believe, to see how that sets up. But so far, just out of the box, it is very lightweight. Looking around the sides, just take a look here. So on the side here, we can see we have our mini HDMI, we've got USB-C, USB-C, looks like our volume up and down, and looks like brightness, and our power button. So we'll go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay, so we've got the USB-C cable connected now. We'll go ahead and power on the monitor. Hold down the power button there, and there we go. There is the screen. We'll go ahead and hook up a device. So we've got no signal right now. Let me go ahead and grab a device and we'll plug that in. I must say the cables are very nice. They have a nice cable wrap on there with some Arzopa branding. So it's nice to see that. And so as you can see, the case is a stand. So you can go ahead and stand up that monitor, and then we'll go ahead and take our USB-C to USB-C. We'll go ahead and plug that into the phone and see what happens here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab our S23 Ultra. We're going to go ahead and plug that into the USB-C to USB-C port that we have plugged in. Go ahead and unlock the phone, and now we have a mirror display of our phone. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to enable the Samsung DeX, and we're going to go ahead and turn this into a mini laptop. I've got a little Bluetooth keyboard with a built-in trackpad. So we'll go ahead and turn that on, get that connected to the phone, and there we go. We'll get our Bluetooth keyboard connected. Go ahead and pair that, and as you can see, we now are able to use our smartphone using a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. We can easily go ahead and open up our internet, go ahead and connect to, and there we go. Perfect. So we now have an external monitor hooked up to our S23 Ultra, and we essentially have a mini laptop that we can take with us on the go. Very portable, very lightweight. Let me know what you think about this device. I'll put a link in the description down below. So if this Arzopa portable monitor is something for you, definitely check out the link in the description below. Give us a like and consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any of our new updated reviews and videos. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.